Hello everyone, we are back with another interesting video, and this video is going to be very interesting. In this video, let me tell you a reminder, please. This video is only for educational purposes, and as you all know, the motto of our channel is to build a peaceful and cooperative community which will help others and other peoples, groups, and societies to grow faster and free of cost. So keep in mind, this video is for educational purposes. I hope so you all will use it for educational purposes and ethical purposes. So let's start our video without wasting more time. What I'm talking about the tool named Sherlock. Is this must be a new name for you? And I'm going to tell. Let's say we have a username. Let's say you have a username, John, and you want to find out on which social media platforms or on which websites this username has been registered. And this would be a tough task for anyone, but here comes Sherlock. Sherlock will help you to find that this particular username is registered on which websites and which social media platforms. So I hope so you got an idea about Sherlock. And interestingly, I have recently deleted my Sherlock just to make this video so that I can also tell you how to install it in your Kali Linux virtual machine and how to use it. So without wasting our time, I'm going to start. What we need to do, what we need to do. Okay, so on your browser, you need to search Sherlock GitHub. I will also attach the link in the description, so don't worry about that. So click on this. Click on this. Here you can see that we have this particular code. Here we have this particular code, and here you can see that what we're going to do. We are going to copy this code and we are going to paste this code here. What you need to write is, okay, I'm gonna download it in my uh, directory. Okay, so here you need to write, you can select the particular directory in which you want to download this. So we are gonna start it. It is started, that cloning, and it will take some time, and I'm hoping that it runs smoothly. Most of the time, due to bad internet connection or due to any sudden interruption, uh, it takes some times, but I hope it will not take so much time this time. Here we can see that yes, everything is done. We have successfully we have successfully installed Sherlock in our virtual machine. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if we have Sherlock or not. Here you can see that we have Sherlock here. Okay, so we are gonna go into this directory, and here we can see that we have this directory in downloads directory, which is Sherlock, and in the Sherlock we have these tools. Okay, so what's our next step? Our next step is to install certain requirements. As we let me tell you, if you don't have these requirements, you will not be able to run your Sherlock. You need, sorry, uh, you need to write this command. As we are going to use it on Python 3, you need to write this command. Just copy this command. Just copy this command Yes. Okay. So here you can see that we have successfully uh, downloaded these commands. And what is our next step? Our next step is to write Sherlock, and you need to write the username. Okay, so I'm gonna write John. I'm gonna find about John on which website he has registered himself. Let me click on enter, and here you will see the magic. It Here you can see that it has started checking usernames John on different website. It will provide you a list of websites, and along with the links you can also access those websites, those usernames, by clicking on the link. So we will just wait for a while. We will wait for a while. It will provide you a complete list. The speed will depend definitely on your internet speed, how speedy your internet is. It will directly affect the terminal speed. Okay, so what we gonna do, we just we will wait for a while. Here you can see that the magic happened. Here you can see that the magic happened. Here is the magic. Now let me tell you, let me show you the important thing. Here you can see that we have YouTube. This username has also been registered on YouTube. And what we're gonna do, we will check the link, click on the link, and copy link address, and open your browser and search this link. We are gonna check the viability of this link. Here you can see that this link has directed us to this YouTube channel, which is John Chaidi. Here you can see the details about this channel. Okay, so this is about our Sherlock, the best tool, and the best part is this: it will also make a txt file. It will also auto save that txt file. Here you can find the location, and after giving sudo permission you can access that txt file. Here you can see that we have got all these links. Let's say we are gonna test another link. Let's say Wikipedia link. We are gonna test this Wikipedia link. Copy link address and click on this and click on this. Here you will see that it will redirected us to this page. Okay, so this is the magic, huh? So this is like a magic, and we have successfully done. And same is the case with other username. Like you want it for Matthew. Okay, so we will also check this Matthew. Definitely it will take some time, but it depends upon your internet speed. I hope so. This video is very interested, and the surprise for you is that if you want a video in which I will show you how to access, how to get particular location, how to get particular, like you want you want to get someone's video who has open camera, or if you want to get someone's location, I will also make a video on this. But I need your suggestions. If you do comments on this video, and you will write about that you are interested for the upcoming video, and the upcoming video will be like a shocking for you. It will be shocking for you. It will help you in many ways. Here you can see that we have all the records of Matthew also. So this is all about today's videos. I hope so you have learned something new in this video. And keep in mind This video is solely for educational purposes. We have nothing to do, we have no intentions to harm the society. As you all know, the motto of our channel is to build peaceful and cooperative society. So I'm waiting for your suggestions for the upcoming video. I hope so you have liked this video and you have learned something new through this video. So keep me in your prayers, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button so that I can keep posting useful content for you. It will give me motivation, by the way. So we'll meet in the next video. See you soon. Bye bye.